want to show everybody that this is the hook in the end of the line. It goes around the tree and hooks back onto the line to hold it in place. And then we basically zigzag down the hill, keeping a nice slope to it. This is a gravity fed line, 3/16 line from CDL. And this is our first year using it, so we'll see how it goes. The ridge is about 100-foot rise, but I'm about 450 feet uphill from the bottom main line. Whew, okay, here I am, about 100 and so feet up on our ridge. You can see some of our pipelines over here, sap lines. And I'm going to start another line down the hill. So you look out to the lake. Got my helpful dogs. Snow's not too bad. It's been packed down a bit with some warmer temperatures. Just saw a pileated woodpecker up here. And now it's gone. But put my camera away as I trek down the hill. And I'll update you at the bottom. Okay, here I am down at the bottom. I don't know if you can quite see the scale of this hill. But now I'm going to cut this line and just get it hooked up to the wire here temporarily until we drill the holes into the main line and put the main line seals in. Well, I got one more line done. That was a lot of work up and down the hill in the snow. The main line will come out to here. I'll collect some sap in the water tote here and then bring her across into the sugar shack. Just want to note that we are using 3/16 fittings and tubing from CDL. What I had it hooked onto the tree with was an end-lined hook, and what we have at the other end at the bottom is a flat hook connector. We then have to go and install all of the T's, and we have some 30-inch sap lines with the spout attached that also have to be attached to each tree still. Please hit subscribe and follow along. Have a great day.